So, can we all agree that this car is as flat as a pancake? It's sticky as anything, it's not beading, it's certainly not sheeting, and that basically means that the dirt is sticking to your car as soon as it lands. Now, I'm going to showcase to you a very beautiful product that has a special place in my heart that will give you ceramic level protection touchlessly for around 8 to 12 weeks. So what are we waiting for? Let's change this to something worth looking at. So Nick, what is this gates of magic that you're talking about? Well, not only am I going to show you a product that not only beads, but also has been designed from the ground up to actually touchlessly leave behind a layer of gloss as if you had physically touched the car. Now that is the hardest possible thing to do, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now in under 30 seconds. Now, of course, we are talking about the most beautiful product called Foam Plus. Now today, I'm going to be physically applying it via a foam cannon. One, it's quicker. Two, you're about to see why. It's also safer because the way this foams, if you read the back of the bottle, it will say double rinse formulation. What does double rinse actually mean? Now, the double rinse formulation requires you to slightly longer, not rinse the car twice, but just hold the pressurized water just enough to break that secondary film. Now, that secondary film is what is going to save you in the upcoming spring and summer season, because it's a layer of protection that leaves the product not to dry onto the clear coat. Now, products within this category are all susceptible to spotting, streaking, etc. So we said, well, look, how do we combat this? And for the first time ever, you have a product that, if you do it correctly, will leave absolutely zero spots, zero streaks, add touchless gloss as if you've literally waxed it with the most beautiful show wax on the planet, and leaving you unbelievable water behavior. So as long as the car is washed, of course, it has to be clean, and it's wet, don't forget, Foam Plus works so much better when the car's flat and wet. So in this, we have got our 9:1 ratio. So in normal people term, you've got 100 ml of product to 900 ml of water. Now, if you're very careful with this and you do dilute this with demineralized water if you want to store it, this reservoir of 1 litre will actually get you 2 cars. So if you've got multi-house or multi-cars in the household, or if you just want to reapply it sooner rather than later, you can actually store it. So watch this. This comes out better than most snow foams in the world. Yes, built on purpose. Now, what this is doing right now, as you can see, there is no paint contact at all that you could see with the sun. So that means the paint underneath is actually being, protected. It's cold. There is no dwell time required. We do not need dwell time around here. So it's instant on, instant off. So by the time you get around the car, it could be what, 15 to 30 seconds of foaming. You literally rinse it straight off, and just notice I hold it that little bit longer, and check out these amazing hydrophobics. So first of all, it begins to sheet. So you're thinking, it's all right. Keep holding it. Watch this. That's the first layer gone, and here comes the absolute magic. Yes! Tell me. Beautiful. Now please tell me if that is not the most beautiful thing that you have ever seen. Now granted, you've seen how quickly the car changed from 0 to hero, literally over the second. Now the most interesting part, it's easier to show you than to tell you through a description, through a message, or through an email. That first rinse you saw it became the fastest sheeter on the planet. Now as soon as you break that little bit of extra tension, which is the second rinse method, you saw that it went from the fastest sheeter on the planet to the tightest beader on the planet. That is just unbelievable. Now what you're going to see and feel next, most importantly, is when you drag, imagine you don't blow the car off, you're going to drag your big, premium drying towel over the car. The car's going to feel like physical silk. So I'm going to show you part of the blow-off process, and I'm going to show you part of the process as if you don't own a blower. So imagine you're going to say, Nick, you know what, I don't own a blower, I'm space restricted, or maybe the funds ain't just right at the minute. That's fine, brother, that's not a problem. What you need, as long as it is from South Korea, it's a decent size, because at this point you don't really need anything else apart from premium blends and size. If you have a towel this big, it's not really going to do much for you. So Foam Plus, right? As I said, this car's unclayed, undeconned, unprotected. Look, it's sliding. Look at that. That's how it's slick. Oh my goodness. Now that's what you get. Right, boom, watch this, right? Dry, streak free, most importantly, spot free, and that's what you get. I mean, just look, just not a single piece of tension. Wow. Glass, usually nightmare. No match for Foam Plus though. Look at that. Ooh. Now, that is how you do a non-blow drying kind of method with something like Foam Plus. Oh my God. Look, I'm gonna have to do this. Granted, the towel's wet, right? The towel is wet. Why? Look. Oh, look, static. Goodbye, thank you, game over, right? This is an unbelievable product. As I said, this is a 2-in-1 product that will help you with physical slickness, as you have just seen. I'm not throwing anything, right? Pinky job. It will help you with protection. It cross-links, whether at this point it's cross-linking with a clear core. Like I said, I'm being completely transparent. There's nothing on this car. If you have got a wax, it'll cross-link with a very, very top micron layer of the wax, the coating. If you've got PPF, at the end of the day, it really doesn't matter. If you've got hard texture plastics, so scuttle panels, trims, bumpers, I mean, the bumpers here are beaten as if they've just been coated with trim serum. It's like unbelievable. Now, imagine you do have a blower. Your whole experience, of course, gets elevated. I'm going to now show you if the bonnet was wet, what do you do with a blower? So if you are, in that category of people who are like, you know what, this is my ultimate outlet, and cars to me kind of save my mental health, right? I'm the president of that society. And you do want to invest, in nice things, something like this, with a non-existent carbon nozzle that has been made specifically for us, that may be for sale soon, hint hint, let me know in the comments. And you want the ultimate experience, this is what you do. So have you noticed, I haven't literally stood there like this for 57.5 hours trying to get the car dry. That is not my point. If the car is super slick, slickness also helps the hydrophobics fly off, because there are hydrophobic products out there which are non-slick, right? So it kind of goes against, popular belief, but slickness and hydrophobics actually go hand in hand, and you want to touch it and feel like you're feeling the final silk? Of course you do. So look, the car is 99% dry. And now I'm specifically showing you this without any drying aids. Now, you put our drying aid into the mix and you just have the most surreal experience of your life. But I just want to show you what the very beginning level of surreal experience looks like. So look, there is almost nothing to dry. So imagine if you had a dry drying towel, literally look, dry, thank you. Like you could dry a car of this size in under 2 minutes. Look, there we are, dry, thank you so much. That's how you do it. And there you have it, guys. In under 30 seconds, you have seen what a product is capable of. I'm actually so happy I managed to finally capture what the double rinse method actually looks like. From this to this to this, literally takes all of about 6 seconds. However, it just shows you just how important to have a true protective film in a, let's be honest, a very reactive product category. These products in general are very reactive. Now, when you start making it completely off the scale in terms of hydrophobics and slickness, they become even more reactive. So it's very important, especially now. Look, I did it on purpose to where this car's in the shade, that part of the car is not in the shade. And when I say ceramic level protection, before somebody comes into the comments and says, you can't apply a ceramic coating wet, of course I can't. But the one thing that I'm telling you, what are the characteristics of coatings, right? Let's just, if we were to write down a spidergram and say, what is characteristics of a resin delivered system versus, you know, a water-based delivery system of a sealant, right? Now, every single water-based delivery system is like, you know, it beads a little bit, all right, you know, it's hydrophobic. Is it slick? You know, it's okay. Now, coatings, you know, extremely glossy, extremely slick, extremely, you know, repellent, hydrophobic, you know, sheeting properties, beading properties, etc. There is no product that can add touchlessly the amount of gloss that this does in the world right now. That is a fact. Now, that's one of the characteristics of a coating, right? Hyper gloss, hyper slickness. Why don't you all come through the lens? Just come through the lens and feel this, right? That is literal melted butter silk as you're touching the car. That's another characteristic, right? So it's very hard to inbuild all these things, but we've achieved it, right? So Foam Plus, I think, for us, it's an extremely popular product. Now, around the world, you know, depending where you are, depending on your condition, some people are just catching on to these kind of products. So if you've never tried Foam Plus, I implore you, pick up the smallest bottle you can, which is a 500 ml, 9 to 1 it for the full strength of what you've seen here. If you are the person that is like, you know what, I don't want anything to work, I just want to protect the protection, then do it like 19 to 1, right? So even half that, even further. So that'll be 50 ml to 950 ml of water, which is, you're getting around 4-6 weeks, it depends on the time of year. You do the mathematics out of a 500 ml bottle or then a 5 litre bottle. If you get a 5 litre of this is probably a lifetime supply of protection in under 30 seconds at a time. So guys, Foam Plus, slick. If you want to have a smile on my face like I am right now, you know what to do. Beautiful product. If you have used Foam Plus, this is the most important thing. In any time in your detailing kind of journey, if you have used it, please let me know in the comments, let me know your experience. And of course, as always, I will all catch you all very soon. My beautiful legends, Nick signing out. Have a great day, everyone.